Morning dudes and dudettes, quick fire round of what to check under your engine bay. So first things first, water. Most cars have what's called an expansion tank with one of them on. It'll have a level, it says cold level right there. So check cap off, check level, put more water in, top it up, easy done. Next, brake fluid. Same again, it's got the levels. Now notice, yellow, 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 and orange at the back. Everything you need to check, generally color coded. So this is your oil. Check your oil level. It'll have a oil can picture on the top, or it'll say oil, or as the Australians call it, 710. That's an upside down joke. And then that back in there, like that. Slide it in, all the way down, pull it out, and have a look. Mine is spot on. Oil might look a bit clear in mine. I've got a running in oil in, so it's just a clearer oil. If that's a bit low, that's where you put it. Oil goes in there. So oil can picture, oil can picture. Transmission fluid, that's on another video. And that's it. Everything you need to check under the bonnet of your car.